Independent politician Temba Mliswa is alleged that political rivals targeted him by vandalizing his vehicle, a move he links to the ongoing ZANU-PF power struggles. Sabina mashoko buda pangwa inoi tuna kuti Temba Mliswa claims his own car was vandalized by political rivals. As tension rises in the country, don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibida muna zero buda nyokamchinzi. Mliswa, who has been vocal in criticizing Vice President Constantino Chiwenga for what he calls insincere anti-corruption measures, said the attack is part of escalating tensions within the ruling party. Chiwenga publicly condemned corruption during last month's Politburo meeting, a stance that reportedly angered ZANU-PF hardliners loyal to President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Mliswa took to X on Wednesday to describe the incident. He said, "They came and broke into my car, but I'm not one to fear or be intimidated by these theatrics. Ndakatofukwa na Mwari nemudzimu. Whoever does anything, it will also fight him, just like former Com Chihuri or Press Mugabe, who I warned in a letter, sending thugs won't work. We move." The episode highlights the increasing political tension in Zimbabwe as factions within ZANU-PF clash and independent voices like Mliswa continue to challenge the party's internal dynamics. Do mashoko anobuda pangwa ini wobva posta this post namburi kuena Temba Mliswa pana paanyora achiti, "They came and broke into my car, but I'm not the one to fear or be intimidated by these theatrics. Ndakatofukwa naMwari nemudzimu. Whoever does anything, it will also find him, just like former Commander Chihuri or Prince Mugabe, whom I warned in a letter, sending thugs won't work. We move." Ndo mashoko anobuda pangwa ino achinyorwa naTemba Mliswa. Wamuona kuti this is the guy pangwa ino ari accused kuti akatengwa nezvigananda kuti agouya achidiscredita VP Constantino Chiwenga nekuuya achiisa allegations ecorruption. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pematax ari kusangana nawo naTemba Mliswa. Pinda comment section medu zamafungiro enyu, musana subscribe or like, channel on the bell icon.